Hello friends. So today I will cover long-term investment idea. And before making any movement to the presentation, we will go through the disclaimer. This channel is for only education purpose, only stock and stock fundamental analysis. You shall seek advice from SEBI registered financial advisor before making any investments. So let's move forward on the investment idea. Uh, I would like to point out what people thinks regarding the market and what are their expectations. Investment idea, those who are uh, making investment depend on your horizon, long term, short term, or medium terms. Mostly the people who were invested for the long term, they made a money. Who were those investors who were on the short term basis, where very few percentage of trader or investor who could succeed in making money. People just want to invest, people just want to buy the stock by taking consideration that his or her stock price selling start moving in the upward direction on the very next day. This type of mentality usually result in the loss whenever stock price move in the downward direction. Usually these type of people sold their stocks. So what is the best way to invest in the stock is the first way, or we can say the method is the in the direction of flow. If you are trading in the penny stocks or company that are not fundamentally or good, their fundamentals not good and company that sound not good on the basis of other parameters, sales or this. In these type of stock, you can only make money when there is a you can move in the direction of floods. In bear market, everything, whether it's a fundamental good stocks, price move in the downward direction. The similarity in the bull phase, irrespective of the stock fundamentals, all mostly all stock moves in the upward direction. 90% uh, movement of in the penny stocks come in this flow, in the direction of flow. What is the good investment idea? Good investment idea, invest in the year phase of the stock, in the companies that in those companies which are fundamentally good. So I am discussing one of the most my idea and which I found is a good time to invest on the basis of chart and other parameters. Let's begin. Companies, large cap company, part of the Nifty 50, Wipro Limited, and we will look what the chart says. On the chart of Wipro. With this, let's move forward. This is a 1 month chart on the skill and just a few months from time then what I consider. From just I'm zooming out from 2004. I have done this trend line. 2004 approximate 18 to 19 years long duration of this is the trend line. I am expecting this trend line to will act as a major support for the Wipro. Just zoom in on daily basis. This 300 or 3 to 400 and yeah. Stock price is moving between the range 400 and 350 approximate last 8 months, and I am expecting this is as a good value or worth it buying on the support trend line. Thus, we can see one more parameters. Just hold on. Weekly candle board, weekly charts is this is RSI, positive RSI divergence, green color trend lines. Is and this is also positive RSI divergence. This is positive MACD divergence. So this is these positive divergence adding the conviction to the my idea of considering the Wipro strategy for long-term investment. It's worth buying. See Wipro's rolling pattern from the stock exchange website. Promoter 72.92%. This is before the buy. Retail investor LIC 4.2, SY advertise 1%, JP Morgan 2.39%. Last move down, scroll down, scroll down. See the retail participation approximate 8%, including the 5.18% holding up to 2 lakhs of capital and 2.85% holding more than 2 lakhs capital. The retail participation is 8%. This is said buyback program concluded, and acceptance ratio was 77.4% among retail investors. Those were considering is a worth value didn't tender, and those who attended acceptance ratio was 77%, 0.4% were buyback by the Wipro limit. So there is a very less or little chances Wipro will go down, or as I am expecting, retail selling between stop here and long-term investor. mm, Long-term retail investor will only play in the Wipro stock.